To recap, here are the key steps to successfully caring for your indoor bamboo plants. 1. Choose the right container that provides adequate drainage and space for the root system. 1. Water consistently and mindfully, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Use filtered or distilled water to prevent mineral buildup. 1. Position your bamboo plant in bright, indirect sunlight to promote healthy growth. 1. Regularly feed your bamboo with a balanced liquid fertilizer, adjusting frequency based on the growing season. 1. Maintain the plant by pruning any yellow or brown leaves and removing overgrown or damaged stems. In mastering these steps, you'll be well on your way to nurturing a thriving indoor bamboo plant. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious environment where your bamboo can grow and flourish, bringing a touch of nature's elegance into your home. Until next time, keep nurturing your green thumb and transforming your space with the beauty of indoor plants. Enjoy the journey of indoor gardening